Writer business. Can you give us a sense of what's available for folks who kind of fall in that gap?
Yeah, I mean, I think I agree with everything Alex said. I think for sure that I think we see a lot of folks who have pursued self-learning, and I think what's great about that is that they're showing aptitude for self-guided training. They're following videos. They're practicing code. There's tons of no cost or low cost resources that folks can access. But that might be a nice transition into a boot camp that is a low cost training or additional cost training as well. And as I mentioned, that project-based learning is really a key differentiator in a lot of that training. So for folks who are investigating what training might be a good fit for them, seeing if there is exposure to those types of projects is really meaningful. We also partner with organizations who are really interested, who may be resource strapped, but are eager to take a risk on working with maybe a newer developer, especially if they are not able to build their own website or not able to generate their own project. So I think there is a large enough network for folks who are looking to brush up their skills to be able to build out their portfolio. So I encourage folks to be able to do that work. This is an aside, but a couple of months ago, I was speaking to a group of high schoolers about careers in tech, and there was a 16-year-old sitting in a classroom who's making money on the side because he's building websites on his own for people. And he already knows he's not going to go to college. He already knows he's going to pursue a career in tech, but now he has a whole portfolio and set of projects that he's been able to build because he's been able to hone his skills.